Vice President Mike Pence paid a surprise visit to Afghanistan with a bold Christian message from President Donald Trump, and it rang out like a shot heard around the world. Trump's second-in-command got quite the response for saying words that would get most anyone else beheaded, and luckily for us, it was all cotton video. Muslims praying in Afghanistan, left, Vice President Mike Pence right, photo credits, YouTube, association via AFP News. According to the Gateway Pundit, Pence made an unexpected visit to our military men and women in Afghanistan on Thursday, December 21, 2017, where he read a special message from the first family and from his own family. This visit was Pence's first to the war zone since being sworn in as Vice President of the United States, and he wasn't about to let it go down without a bang. Like a true Christian gentleman, Pence spoke words of comfort and well wishes to all of our troops regardless of their background or religion. When he finished the main portion of his speech, Pence had a special Christmas message for believers in our military. When was the last time this happened? Here is an excerpt from his terrific message. Now I close. Let me just say again what a special honor it is for me to be with all of you. Especially at this special time of the year. It was a few months ago. When President Trump said to me he wanted me to get there. He wanted me to get there before a special holiday for the American people. Just to make sure you knew that I was thinking of you and millions of the American people have you on our hearts. Now we know there's many faith tradition represented here and no matter your background and belief. I hope you have and a renewal and renewed strength in this season. For all of you who like my family, in the coming days will look to a manger. You will once again claim the promise announced on a holy night of peace on earth and goodwill toward men. Let me say from the first family, and my family, and families all across America, Merry Christmas, and to all of you, may God bless you. May God bless all who wear the uniform of the United States here in Afghanistan and across the wider world. May God bless the good people of Afghanistan and may God continue to bless the United States of America. I can just imagine the absolute meltdown of millions of snowflakes across the liberal world who would have rather ripped their ears off instead of hearing Mike Pence dare the gospel message to your troops in Afghanistan. What an epic and meaningful speech for our military men and women who are stationed at Bagram Air Force Base. Below is the video clip of Pence speaking to our military men and women at Bagram Air Force Base in Afghanistan. President Donald Trump continued to dare on one of his biggest promises to American patriots by returning America to its Christian value. According to NPR, the president reminded Americans at the Voters Value Summit on Friday, October 13, 2017, that it is people of faith who make our country great. We know that it's the family and the church, not government officials, who know best how to create strong and loving communities. Trump said. We are stopping cold the attacks on Judeo-Christian value. Vice President Mike Pence's visit to our troops and message about baby Jesus and eternal life are bold examples of Trump keeping his promise to bring back our Christian value. The truth of the matter is that Pence's Christmas speech impact America a whole and represent who we are to the world even while our troops serve in the darkest of places where followers of Christ can be executed for sharing the gospel message. This is the kind of leadership that will take us back to where we belong, one nation under God. Share the story and leave a comment by clicking one of the buttons below. Follow us on Facebook at Mad World News. Donald Trump Islam Mike Pence.